Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brokanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be restoring cloudy headlights on a 2018 Kia Sportage. So this is a Kia Sportage EX. And as you can see, headlights are pretty oxidized. If you look close enough, you can see how bad it is. And this is the good side. Yeah, baby. This one here, look at that, splotchy. This one's pretty bad. So in this video, I will be using Mother's NuLen's Headlight Renewal Kit. And what comes in the kit are this backing plate. These are various restoration discs, different grits. You have a polishing tool and the plastic polish. It also comes with a set of instructions. This will be helpful with helping us walk through the process. Other items you're going to be needing for this restoration is a drill, spray bottle of water, glass cleaner, and a couple of microfiber cloths. Like always, I'll have helpful captions throughout the video. With that said, let's start brokanicking. All right, there you have it. These headlights look 1,000 times better. Now, full transparency, that oxidation is really, really deep. You can see some of it there still. And with the polish, like anything else, and after several washes, through the car wash, you'll get some of that cloudiness return. I'll probably go over this maybe one more time, go through the process of sanding everything down and polishing just to get all that oxidation out. But the result, I say, is pretty acceptable. Well, gang, that wraps up another project. Now, I'll have a link in the description below where you can get this Mother's NuLen's headlight renewal kit. I really appreciate you guys checking out the channel. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I have more things around the corner. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Volcanic. Aloha.